In today's tutorial, we will be going over how to view the PWX schedule, customize your personal calendar, and import it into your other calendars on your devices. First, let's take a look at the schedule. Here, you can sort by day across the top of the screen and view a listing of all PWX events and educational sessions below. See something you're interested in? Select it to view more options and information. We encourage you to navigate to the details screen during each of the education sessions you attend. Not only will you be able to share pictures and take notes about the particular session, but this will also be where you go to access speaker handouts and fill your speaker evaluation forms after each session. Now that we've covered the details page, we're moving on to show you how to customize your personal schedule within the app. When viewing the list of calendar items, you can add them to your schedule by clicking the plus button to the right of each listing. You can also add an item to your schedule from the details page by pressing the Add button just below the session title. You'll notice at the bottom of the main schedule screen there are 3 tabs entitled Schedule, My Schedule, and Invitations. To view the items you've added to your custom schedule, select the My Schedule option. When you click My Schedule, you'll notice only events you added have appeared. To finish up today's how-to video, we'll show you how to export the custom schedule you've created to your personal smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are viewing the My Schedule tab. If you're happy with the items on your schedule, go to the top of the page and click the Download/Share button. Using this feature, you'll be able to export your activities to your device's default calendar. This includes Apple and Android calendars, as well as apps you've added to your phone to make the default, such as Google Calendar. You can now view your schedule with ease without needing to load the app, connect to data, or use Wi-Fi, making your on-the-go travel for PWX a breeze.